Hello friends, how are you all? Today I'm gonna unbox a Daddario guitar string which I ordered from Amazon, and today I get it, as you can see here, and it's a very nice packaging from Amazon, and today I got it. So let's just cut this pouch and show you the guitar string from Daddario. So from this side we will cut this pouch, and after cutting this we got a wire from Daddario, as you can see here. So in this pouch we got a guitar string from Daddario, and in this pouch we did not get anything more. And here is the Daddario guitar string wire which I ordered from Amazon. So let's give you the physical overview what's the content have. And it's a acoustic guitar, as you can see here, acoustic guitar string. Its gauge is 011 to 052. It's light gauge wire, and it's a Daddario branding, and 85 by 15 bronze full bright tone, and the model number is EZ910 is the model. So it's a physical overview of the pouch, and as you can see here from the back side it's a fully designed, and it's looking very nice. And I just show you the what's the price I paid for this. So each wire has 340 Indian rupees. So it's a very nice from Amazon. You can buy it from Amazon. I will give the separated link in the description below. You can buy it from Amazon. So it's a very nice deal from me. So if you want to buy this product, I will give the link in the description below. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.